Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, we're going to feature again Blockmonsters. But before we start, I would like to say hi to Mark, Attorney Mark, soon to be attorney. Ayan, tsaka kina Nick, no, yung aking mentor, si Daryl, ng LBX organization, Ralph, and also sila ni Patricia and Shane and Sheena, who have been a very big help on my journey as a regional marketing director. So hi sa inyo guys. And also hi to Chino and Delarin. Ayan, see you guys this Friday at 8 p.m. on our CPD Madness. Okay, so now let's start with Blockmonsters. Ayan guys, ito na yung kanilang website. So far, may mga updates no sa kanilang game. Yan, and then you can now buy their monsters. Yan, yung price ng kanilang monsters at the moment, guys, is 0.51 centavos. Yeah. And then, ayan, pag mag-buy monsters ka, ito na yung mga monsters nila, guys. You can buy your starter pack at 997.79 monsters only. So, if this is the price, guys, magkano siya sa peso? So, nasa 514 pesos, guys, ang kanilang starter pack, which is, I guess, not bad anymore. Affordable siya. Right? Tapos, meron din sila sa LootX. Ayan, another NFT store siya wherein you can buy the ayan, other monsters here. Ayan, no? So, may 0.1 BNB, meron tayong 1.4 BNB. So, depende siya sa rarity din ng monsters, no? And then, let's try, guys, exploring their website kasi maraming nagbago. So, NFTs. So, NFT minting, wala pa siya. Coming soon pa lang. So, this is their only contract address, guys, na legit. Okay? Please be careful for any scam token. I remember during the public sale of their token, may biglang nag-drop ng fake na CA, tas ang daming bumili ng Monster token using that fake CA. And one of the people who was very stressed out during that time was Ross Charles. Yan. Hi, Ross. Nag-share siya kagad sa akin ang nangyari sa kanya sa Blockmonsters and akala din niya no na scam yung game. Pero so far, guys, nagawa naman yun ang paraan ng team ni Blockmonsters at saka hindi nasayang yung in-invest ni Ross doon sa fake na CA, no, na drain up doon sa kanilang Telegram channel. So, ayan, good news no for Ross and also to those who were scammed by the fake token. Tapos, we have here their monsters, no? Existing monsters. Ito siya unlimited monsters. So, siguro pag ganun, unlimited, medyo mababa yung kanyang quality. So, mas mura. Pero siguro kung mga limited edition, yun talaga yung malaki yung halaga niya or value niya sa market. So, you can buy your starter kit. Ayan. Nandito siya. So, 500 pesos. Meron ka ng isang starter kit, guys, ni Blockmonsters. So, this is play to earn. Ayan. Rinig ko yung kanilang play demo. So, ito yung lumabas. Wala. So, hindi pa siya available. And then, battle for NFTs. Ayan. So, you will do this in the game. Show the power of your Blockmons in a player versus player battle mode. Get experience and train your Blockmon to make it even stronger. Then, trade and sell NFTs. So, dito guys, sa LootX, dito ka makakapag-trade ng NFTs mo if you already have your NFTs with you. So, ito yung mga pricing nila. Okay, you just need to connect your wallet. So, ito yung mga transactions nila, guys. So far, may mga bumili. Pero mura, no? 0.021 BNB lang. Ayan. Tapos, partnerships and collaborations. Ayan, guys. We have here CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and so on. So far, meron naman, no? And project roadmap, at the same time, they are now sa stage 3, August to October. So, token auditing, first rewards to users, Blockmon NFTs, and so on. Ayan. And then, they also updated, guys, their white paper. Then, ito yung mga iba pa nilang NFTs. So, at the moment, they have 19 and 150 ata yung designs na goal nila, no? Tapos, guys, let's check their white paper. Ayan. Mga pagbabago, bringing back childhood memories. Ayan, choose your starter. Tapos, monsters token. So, ilang percent yung play to earn. So far, malaki yung kanilang allocation sa play to earn. Malaki rin doon sa kanilang pre-sale. No? Tapos, yan, game mechanics so far. yan yung mga updates guys sa development ng game. Ayan, may evolutions din sila. Actually, ang gaganda ng kanilang characters ah. Ayan. So, meron tayong hair, accessories, top, pants, and shoes. So, you can build your own NFT Blockmon trainer. I don't know if this is going to be free. Pero sana free lang, no? Mas makakapag-customize ka ng own trainer mo. Anyway, ayan, booster and starter packs. You can also use this. Tapos, discover Blockmon trainer. So, ito yung kung saan ka pwedeng bumili ng starter packs or monsters nila. Collect all 150 Blockmon. So, I guess, if makompleto mo siya, isa siyang accomplishment. Ayan, nasa stage 3 na sila. Ayan. So that's it, guys. Those are just some updates about Blockmonsters. So if you are interested to play this game, if you want to get updated about this project, you just need to connect to their Telegram, follow them at Twitter, and ano pa ba? Ano pa bang meron sa kanilang socials? Yeah, they have Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, announcement channel nila ng Telegram. Ayan, guys. So that's it about Blockmonsters. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye!